An easy way to resize an image using Paint on Windows operating system. So the first thing, you need to locate the image. Then you right click, you click on open with Paint, or you can choose to edit with Paint. Once you click on the edit with Paint, it will open the image like this. Then as you can see, the image is a little bit zoomed in. You can decrease the zoom in from the percentage here. Once you do that, you click on the selection tool and you highlight or you select the boundaries of the image or passport that you want to use. Assuming this is the size I want to use as my passport, and I click on crop and go to the resize and skew at the top. After cropping, you define the height and the width for the passport. And as you can see, I define 150, or automatically the vertical one is going to show up, and you click on OK. I use 150, automatically the vertical becomes 201. Now, as you've seen, look at the size at the bottom. The expected size is going to be around 5.6 kilobytes. Once you are okay with it, then you can click on Ctrl S to save the changes, or you go to the file, save to save the changes. As you can see, this is the result of our edit. Thank you for watching.